Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly is creeping, left its seats while I was sleeping, and a vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless streets I've walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, with the halo of a year's street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of the neon moonlight, split the night, touched the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dare disturb the sound. Folks said I do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words and I might teach you, take my arms and I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrop fell, echo the world of silence, and the people cried and prayed to the neon God they made, and the sign flashed out its warning in the world that it was forming. And the sign, say the word of the